Hey everyone, okay, so today, other than that, I'm going to be talking to you about Holifrog. And you've probably not heard of Holifrog, but you will very, very soon. Now, Holifrog are a bunch of cleansers, and their specific goal is to cleanse the skin. And even though that might not sound that revolutionary, it actually is in the simplicity of what they're saying. So I'm going to talk you through quickly the range and tell you what my thoughts are, because I've had these for months now. So there is 3 cleansers. Well, technically there's 4 cleansers, but 3 cleansers and a more of an emulsion cleanser for double cleansing, or if you have very dry skin, you for a much more sort of deep cleansing cleanser. So you've got different cleansers for different skin types or conditions. So this is my favorite one, which is the AHA, and this is what it looks like. It is this gorgeous little, I'm sorry it's so bright in here, it's this lovely, gorgeous cleanser. Now this contains alpha hydroxy acids. I'll talk you through them and I'll explain the philosophy. You've then got the Superior Omega Wash, and this is for skin that needs a little bit more nourishment, that needs a bit more emollients to it. Drier skin types can benefit from this. Skin types that are using retinol products or tretinoin, that kind of thing. Then you've got the milky, nourishing milky wash. Again, and this one's actually good for, they're all good for all skin types, but the milky one's quite nice when you just want a little bit more tenderness to the skin. And then there is the Vitamin F Therapy Balmy Wash. This takes off, I mean the cleansers themselves, oh, I'm so sorry it's so bright. The cleansers themselves take off all makeup anyway, but this does an amazing job if you want to double cleanse or you have very dry sensitive skin. The philosophy around Holifrog is that you should cleanse the skin and you should cleanse it well. And what these do, or what the philosophy is, shall I say, is that in the morning you should cleanse your skin with one of these cleansers for 1 full minute, a whole 60 seconds. Now many, many years ago, I did a whole video on why you should clean your skin for 1 minute. So I love that this has come about. But the best thing is that in the evening, you should use a cleanser for 2 full minutes. So 1 minute with this, well actually 1 minute say with this one to really get the day off, and then another minute with another cleanser. Now 2 full minutes of cleansing your face is a really long time. It feels like an eternity. But the benefits to cleansing for 1 minute or 2 minutes are immense. Reduced irritation on the skin, reduced redness on the skin, reduced blemishes on the skin. By removing all the nasty stuff that's accumulated throughout the day, your skin has a chance to repair itself before you do anything else. In fact, those of you with very problematic skin, sensitive skin, dehydrated skin, skin that's just been overly sensitized to products, just cleanse. 1 minute in the morning, 2 minutes in the evening. Just cleanse. Give them a chance. Give the philosophy behind these a chance. And I promise you, you will see your skin transform, because there's something about the do nothing, do no harm first. This is that philosophy in my mind. Now, all of these products are mine. It's not sponsored, nothing like that. I love them. They are almost all empty now, so I need to go and buy some more. But I love them. I did exactly as it stated. 1 minute, 2 minutes in the evening. And I did it and I followed it. And I love a cleanser, whether it's Holifrog, whether it's Aurelia cleanser, which is magnificent, whether it's just a benign cleanser. I love cleansing the skin. It's the best thing, I think. It's one of the most fundamental things. And this made me fall in love with cleansing even more, because they are just the most incredible thing. And just for the record, the people behind this brand are lovely. They are so lovely. And I love to work with lovely people. And I'm not working with them. I know it sounds like I am. I'm not working with them. But I love to be involved in and talk about and speak about companies and people that are kind and respectful to other people, that don't engage in nastiness or ugliness. They're a lovely brand with truly lovely people at the core. And I cannot wait to see what else they start to come up with to expand this range, because it is magnificent. Each cleanser contains 158 mils, and this one, the balmy one, is 74 mils. You need a very small amount. With this in the morning, 1 pump is enough. 1 pump in the evening if you're going to use a balm. If not, use a couple. They'll last you a long time. Don't worry about that. Just give it a go. 1 minute, 2 minutes in the evening. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you've heard from this brand before and what your comments are and thoughts are in the description bar. And I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.